Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sound output device on Mac. So your Mac can play audio through different output devices such as built-in speakers, Bluetooth headphones, wireless earbuds, external speakers, or even a monitor with built-in speakers. If you have multiple audio devices connected, you can easily choose which one your Mac should use for sound playback. Switching the output device does not disconnect any of your accessories. It simply changes where your audio is played. So if you'd like to switch your Mac's audio output, just follow these steps. First, connect your audio device you want to use. If it's a Bluetooth device, make sure it's already paired and connected to your Mac. Now next, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the sidebar, go to Sound and here in Output and Input section, switch to Output. And here you will see the list of available output devices. Simply click on the device you would like to use, such as Bluetooth headphones, external speakers, or your Mac's input speakers. As soon as you select the device, your Mac will automatically switch all audio playback to it. And your selected output device will now use for music, video, apps, or other sound until you choose the different one. From here, you can control the output volume or the balance from the left or right speakers. I mean, if you are using a headphone, then from here by sliding this slider to left or right, you can balance in which headphones you get more sound and in which you want to get lesser. Similarly, if you choose a MacBook speakers, you can choose whether you want to hear more sound from the left speaker or right. So it's basically you can balance whether to get more output sound from which side. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.